Hey guys, I'm Andrew from D&D Microphones, and today we're going to be talking about the features and specs and how to use your brand new TC-SL1 from D&D Microphones. So let's get started right into the packaging itself. You're going to receive it in a nice, beautiful case like this, semi-rigid material, really nice, going to help protect everything. And when you open it up, you're going to be greeted by this wonderful custom insert. So allow you to dock your Slate in here, keep it nice and protected. What's included? Well, we actually give you a marker to start out with, as well as a couple of timecode cables. You're going to get a right angle 5-pin timecode cable, as well as a USB-C to USB Type-A cable for charging your Slate. Because remember, your Slate can be charged in any 5-volt, 9-volt, or 12-volt USB port. That USB port is right on the bottom of the unit. That means when you're charging it and you're leaving it alone, you're leaving it on its back so it can't fall over when you're not watching it. Right here, these are two MPF 550 battery bays. You only need one to actually run the Slate, but you can run both and get extra battery life. When you open up your case, you're going to be greeted with this beautiful anti-gloss, anti-reflective faceplate that's just a wonderful matte finish, so that when you're holding it on set and trying to get timecode into a camera, you don't have to worry too much about what angle you're holding it, where the lights are on your set. This should be super easy to read every single time you want to slate a camera. Let's rotate it to the side. Right here, you can see this door protects the power switch. You don't want this thing accidentally getting turned off on your set. The rotary knob up here on the top can be up, down, and select. Long press to go back, and you're going to navigate your menu using this 1-inch OLED display right here, which has a DPI of 150. It's the exact same screen as the TC one. Very, very similar. There's a few extra options on the TC-SL one. In the TC menu, you'll notice that we also have added an offset, so that here on the front display, you may need to go up or down a couple of frames depending on the latency of your camera. You can figure this out pretty quickly by actually jam syncing the camera, referencing the two numbers, and you could quickly figure out what the latency of your camera's reading is, also what's on your LCD display, and any latency you have there. Also on the back of the unit, you'll find this built-in handle with rubber inline grip, as well as a thumb notch. That makes for one-hand operation. Rotating to the opposite side now, we actually have a toggle switch right here that allows you to do things like tail sticks. Well, that's upside down, but now it's not. Now let's talk about how to jam sync the TC-SL1. There's two methods. Sidus Audio, which will give you all those show extra features. Simple enough, hit the sync all button in the upper right hand corner, and all your TC1 and TC-SL1s on your set will now be locked together. The other method is to hard jam the actual unit via a cable. Now this is great if you don't have a TC1 box and you're using someone else's ecosystem. Simple enough, put the unit into auto jam mode and you're good to go. Now when it comes to actually using some of the cooler extra features like the Sidus Audio app, what you're going to do when you first get your Slate is launch Sidus Audio, add a device, and you'll see your timecode Slate. If for whatever reason you do not see your timecode Slate, go to your Bluetooth menu on your Slate and select Reset. Then go to Sidus Audio and try to add another device, and hopefully this time you'll see your Slate. If you want to use some of the cooler features though that Sidus offers for the timecode Slate, like all the metadata that you can display after the clap, go to your Slate, select Settings, then select Show Extras. Here you can see stuff like user bits, frame rate, and 3 custom fields of 8 characters each that you can type in whatever you want. Well, that's going to wrap it up for us for the TC-SL1. If you have any questions though about how to use your TC-SL1, drop them down in that comment section below. I'm Andrew from D&D Microphones. Thank you for watching.